Hey gardeners! If you're new to gardening and want to start with a bang, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 easy vegetables for beginners that are nearly foolproof. Plus, one veggie you might want to skip. First up, radishes. These little guys are the quickest growers, ready in just about 3 to 4 weeks. Perfect for the impatient gardener. Next, lettuce. It's super versatile and grows in almost any garden. Just sprinkle the seeds and watch them flourish. Then we have carrots. They might take a bit longer, but they're worth the wait. Loose, sandy soil is the key here. Number 4, green beans. These climbing plants are low maintenance and produce abundance. Just give them something to climb on. Tomatoes come in at number 5. Cherry tomatoes are especially easy and can even be grown in containers. Sun and water are your best friends here. Next is zucchini. This summer squash is incredibly prolific. One plant can give you more zucchinis than you can handle. Number 7, cucumbers. They love the sun and grow quickly. Great for salads or pickling. Bell peppers are next. They might need a bit more warmth, but once they get going, they'll reward you with vibrant colors and flavors. At number 9, we have peas. Plant them early in the season and they'll give you a sweet, crunchy snack. Last but not least, spinach. It's super nutritious and thrives in cooler weather, perfect for salads and smoothies. And now, the one to skip, cauliflower. It's a bit tricky for beginners because it's sensitive to temperature changes. Save this one for later when you're more experienced. There you have it. 10 easy veggies to kickstart your gardening journey and one to avoid. Happy gardening, everyone! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gardening tips.